Welcome. In this video we'll learn about proper formatting of Excel data for LaTeX table. For this we will use Excel to LaTeX add-in. This add-in can be downloaded from C10 website. Alternatively, you can download this add-in from the link given in the description box of this video. Once you download, save this somewhere. Better to save in the install directory of the Microsoft Office. Go to Program Files, Microsoft Office. Anywhere you can save. This is not necessary that you have to save this add-in into Microsoft installed directory. Just remember the path. Now open the MS Excel. Go to File, Options, then Add-ins, Excel add-ins. Click here. Go to Browse. Then you need to add the add-in which you have saved. Now add-ins we can see in the ribbon. I have one sample. I'll open. Here we will see different types of tables. First one is very simple. I have just added the data without borders. For adding this, just select the table, go to add-ins, then convert a table to LaTeX. You can copy to clipboard and paste it to the editor. In this table I have added the borders. It's very simple. Just select all the data. Go to font in this region. Click at a downward triangle. Then press at all borders, add-ins, convert table to LaTeX, copy to clipboard. Top rule, mid rule and bottom rules. These commands work with the book types package. If you don't like, then you can use H-line. I'll use the book types package. In general, with these commands, vertical line is not used. In this table only top, mid and bottom rules have been used, and this is the standard for most of the scientific journals. This is very simple. Just select the first row, press at top border, also bottom border. Again select this row, press at bottom border. Copy to clipboard. In this table, multi-rows and multi-columns have been used. Select these two columns. Go to merge and center. Here two rows have been merged. For rows you have three options for aligning: top, center and bottom, which you can manage from here. Here we need to combine fourth and fifth column. This is not working properly. Go to merge across. Now we will create the borders. Select the data. Go to all borders, These two we need to correct. No border, then outside borders. Alright. Once you are done with formatting, you can generate the code. For this table, I don't want to use a top rule, mid rule and bottom rule commands. Rather, I want to use H line and C line. For this, we need to uncheck the book types package. Since we are using multi-row command, we need to load a multi-row package. Even it's not running. We need to load one more package, big struct. If you don't want to use a big struct package, then you need to remove this command. In the last table, colors have been used. This we have already created. Just select the data. Go to format as table and you can choose whatever you want. You can manually change. Select the cells. From here you can change the color. You can also change the text color. Since we are using color, we need to use two packages, Xcolor and color TBL. Alright, so these were few tips for formatting Excel data for LaTeX table. That's all. Thanks for watching.